How to disable Copilot from Windows 11. In this video, I will show you how can you easily disable the feature of Copilot from Windows 11 permanently. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards the Startup menu, click on it, and then in Recently Used App you will see the option of Settings. If not, simply type Setting and then click on Enter. Then after you will be heading towards the setting of your device. From the left hand side menu, choose the option of personalization. Once you do, scroll below to find the option of Taskbar. Once you find the option of Taskbar, simply click on it. Then after you will be heading toward the settings section of Taskbar. At the top, you will see the option of Copilot in Windows. Simply toggle off that feature. Once you have toggled off the feature, simply restart your PC. So that's it. That is how easily you can disable the feature of Copilot on Windows 11 permanently. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.